Hey Shock, I confronted you in your chat room earlier today and told you that I wanted to talk. And you told me that you wanted to debate me. And I said fine, but I won't debate you in your chat room. Because that's where your little mods are, and where you can kick me off the mic and make it look like an accident. So before you can go on YouTube and be all like, Lafayette chickened out at the debate with me, I'm here to tell you that no, I'm not afraid to debate you because you're a fucking idiot and a William Lane Craig parrot. I am more than willing to debate you, Shock. And I'm going on the offensive now. I'm demanding a debate. But I don't want to debate you on your little bullshit that you always tout, with your little teleological arguments, or whatever else you steal from William Lane Craig. No, instead, I am going on the offensive, and we're going on my turf. I am a history major, so how about this, Shock? The topic of the debate will be, provide proof and evidence that the Bible is historically accurate and correct. It can be anywhere where there isn't a moderator, Skype, Blog TV, whatever. But it won't be done in your chat room, where you can kick me off and where you can hide behind your little walls and ban me when I'm kicking your ass on this debate. But just remember that by your definition of a debate, if you refuse to show up, you're a chicken. I won't think any less of you, primarily because I don't think I can think any less of you. So, Shock, I look forward for your reply, and I know that you will reply soon. I'm waiting.